Do you guys want to get better sleep, have more productive days, and much more? Then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with a product review video. I've already actually taken it out of the box quite a while ago and been using it for a very long time. We're going to go ahead and get into all the specs and show you my performance and what I've been doing with the Apollo. Now, it comes in 3 different colors. I have the all black right here. There's a new color as well, and not to mention a black and gray. Definitely check out the link below. It's going to lead you to their website. Watch the YouTube video all the way at the bottom on their homepage. It's going to give you a little bit more general idea of actually neuroscience doctors talking about it. And overall, first and foremost, I am getting a lot better sleep. I find myself literally putting my head down, crashing out, but consistency is the key when using this. When used consistently, the Apollo helps to retain your nervous system so you can manage stress more effectively on your own. Over time, you'll sleep better, have more energy, feel more balanced, and increase your focus. Though many notice Apollo's effects soon after starting a mode, it can take up to 30 days of regular use to realize consistent changes in how you feel. If you track your biometrics, you may notice that your resting heart rate, RHR, heart rate variability, HRV, sleep lacticity, the time it takes to fall asleep, and overall sleep quality improve with consistent Apollo use. The Apollo does not track your biometrics. It actively improves them by improving your body's ability to recover from stress for better sleep, focus, and more. So let's see what they give us inside of the box. Now, again, I've already unboxed this, and I do have a puppy, so that's where calmness definitely plays. As you can see, my puppy has chewed my frequently asked questions right here. So inside the box, you have your charging cable, which is USB to micro USB, and that's a braided cable there. I actually have used a different charging cable for my Samsung watch, and so I just used that one already. That's why that one is still wrapped. They also give you a large wristband here that has a Velcro into it right there that sticks on through the little slap here. So as you can see, I'm wearing it right here. We have matte black with the nylon band all the way around. Remove it, very easy. Slides off. When you're ready to go, that slides on. Again, loops through the little loop right here. I use it on the inside. You guys can totally use it on the outside if you want, or your ankle. And let me show you a couple key features. So whatever mode you were last on in the app that you chose, you hit both of those at the same time and it will start the same mode for the same frequency for the same time frame as you had it. So what I've been doing is I've been keeping that on productive work. And so when I hit that, I know it's go time to get some productive work in the books. And that one is social and open. They say that's about 6 p.m., 25 intensity for about 30 minutes. I've been playing around with that one, but typically, you know, here is like meditation and mindfulness, energy and wake up, rebuild and recover after a workout, feeling a midday slump instead of a cup of coffee, you try that one. Relax and unwind. I do like this one after the gym while I'm watching some disc golf. And to be honest with you, I have not used it. I think I maybe used it one time on sleep and renew, but I have not used it while sleeping. I typically only use it for meditation and mindfulness during my devotion time, social and open for work, and then relax and unwind after the gym. Or you could also do rebuild and recovery instead of relax and unwind. So here they're just talking about this. You have your quick buttons here where one tap gives you an extra 5% intensity and D-tap it for minus 5% intensity. And so whatever the pulsing is, you go ahead and increase it by 5% and decrease it by 5% at a time. If you do need a kids band, it does discuss that on the website where you can purchase that separately, but they give you a large one and a medium small one. My wrists are pretty small and pretty thin, and this one fits just beautifully. So probably a woman's wrist would go this one, and a larger male, or if you're a little bit larger in weight, you would use the larger one. Overall, it's a pretty simple device. It gives the vibrations underneath the backside here with the micro USB charging input there, with your LED light and your 2 push buttons on the side, with your band here, and then Velcro all the way through here. A slight curve to it there to shape your wrist, and the front portion here. And if you are wondering, I'm actually sitting down to edit this video right now. And even though I'm on 60%, it is very unnoticeable where it's not like it's really vibrating really intensely. And to be honest with you, sometimes I actually have to put my other hand up against it because you just start getting used to it. And sometimes you don't even notice if it's on or not, which they do state in the directions as well. All right, so let's look at the app and let's see what I've done. I've used it for a total of 2,329 minutes. That's a very long time. I have a current streak of 1 going on right now. And let's go ahead and take a look at that. As you can see there, my streak is a 5-day streak, so sometimes I don't use it every single day. Sometimes, to be honest with you, I forget. And there we have a 2-day streak as well. And going back to right here, you can add your favorite, durations and intensity for quick access. And then coming over here to home, this is really cool. This shows you right here 30% battery left, all your different ones right here. So let's go ahead and go on social and open top right, as you can see right here. So if I wanted to play it, I could hit play. I could do adding to your favorites right there. You can also tap on 30 minutes and increase that 15, 30, 60, or 120. And you can also do the intensity. So I've actually upped my intensity on social and open to 60% for 30 minutes at a time. And you can customize these all for your preferences. I would definitely play around with that. Let's go to relax and unwind. Some of these are on the default settings right there, 30, 15, 30, or 60. So some of these you can't do longer than a certain period of time. And then you can play around. You can slide that bar to the left or right for your different mode intensities. Overall, it's a real simple app. They have updated it, which is really nice to see all these current streaks, badges, minutes, and I really like the battery indicator up there. And it does show that I am connected. So what they recommend to do is start out with 2 hours a day consistently for 30 days. I, of course, probably skipped a few days in between, but I've been using it for longer than 30 days. My go-to, I've used it in my morning devotion time, and I've also used it when I'm sitting down and want to be super productive. You can wear it on the top if you want. They do recommend it on the inside of your wrist or ankle. You can use this while you sleep as well. The battery inside of it lasts nice and long. First, you connect it over Bluetooth to your phone, fire up the app, and also great for physical recovery as well after a gym session, exercise, bike rides. So you're like, Chris, overall, talk to me about how you feel and what it's done for you. Well, I drink a lot of coffee, so I don't know if my focus has been laser sharp, but I have noticed that first and foremost, my sleep is a lot better. I used to kind of drift off a little bit sometimes, the mind's wandering, but now I feel like I'm really crashing out very quickly. And so that's a benefit. And whether some of you guys are skeptical about it, even the placebo effect might help you for laser focus in whatever activity you do. Some of you might have the physical recovery or the calmness to your nervous system. To be honest with you, probably calmness is in there as well, being able to prevent stress. So overall, do I think it's worth a shot? Absolutely. That's a thumbs up in my book. You want to check it out and try it. Again, that link is directly below this video. Definitely check out their website, watch the video. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if it does intrigue you and you have the cash, go ahead and purchase on away. Hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind on your way out. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe because we've got a lot more videos like this and much more on the channel. So check it out. Those links are once again below. We'll see you on the next one. Take care for now. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.